Another Big Reach Down and Dirty video. This video features our Big Reach pole sprayer, and we've made this sprayer to be very easy to use, very versatile, and also very inexpensive. It fits on any standard Acme threaded extension pole. It also quickly attaches to any standard aerosol can. It comes with the main sprayer housing, a 38-degree angle screw that's removable, a locking string handle with 17 feet of string, a spare nozzle, and it mounts to the can this easy. We'll show you how it works in the next video. This video will show the basics of mounting and dismounting the Big Reach pole sprayer onto an aerosol can. And as we mentioned earlier, this is a very simple sprayer to use. Unlike sprayers that have straps and bungees to keep the can and the sprayer together, this one has a simple O-ring system that acts as a retainer on the housing. The inside of the housing has a rim that is matched to the rim on an aerosol can, and as you put the sprayer over the can, the O-ring spreads and then snaps into place. So it's just this easy. Very secure. You can spray at any angle, and once you're done, there's two finger grips, one in back, one in front. You just simply grab, pinch, pull, and it's done. In this portion of the video, we're going to show how to use the Big Reach pole sprayer to apply pruning seal. As you can see here, we just made this cut on this branch with the Big Reach saw stick. This is our 7-inch blade, bidirectional blade, very sharp, and we made this cut it's about 12 feet up, and the branch is about 3 inches in diameter. And all we're going to do is to simply remove the blade. You can just drop that. Take the sprayer and mount it to the pole, and then all we do is we let out the slack, get our range, and simply pull the activator, and it's that simple. Done. In this video, we'll discuss the different type of aerosol canisters that work best with the Big Reach pole sprayer. I will tell you up front that our sprayer does not work with the 20-foot range wasp and hornet killer type canisters. We take a little different approach to dealing with the wasp, hornets, and spiders, and we'll get to that in a minute. Our sprayer works best with finger-activated canisters. Some of the products we really like are the Spectracide Insect and Disease Control, the Spectracide Pruning Seal, WD-40 paint canisters. You can also use insecticide canisters with the sprayer. Now you have to be careful when you do this and do it at your own risk, but like we mentioned before, there's a spare nozzle that comes in every handle, and what you do is you pop off the pre-molded cap. You take the aerosol spray nozzle, turning it away from you, set it on the stem, press. That sets the nozzle in place with the nozzle still pointed out. Take the sprayer, snap it on, turn to a line, and spray. Our approach with these insecticides is, rather than waiting till the wasp or the spiders have nested, simply go in once a quarter and pre-treat your eaves and your nesting zones with a spider spray or Raid, and that keeps the spiders and the wasp and hornets from nesting. And that's, to us, a little smarter way of approaching the control of pests around your home and your structures. So that's the way it works, and we'll get on to the next video. In this video, we're going to demonstrate our approach to using the Big Reach pole sprayer and Big Reach pole to pre-treat structures for wasp and insect infestations. We're also going to talk a little bit about these long-range wasp and hornet killers, talk about the shortcomings with these and why they're not really a very good solution to your wasp problem. Now before we get started, I want to stress that anytime you're using chemicals like this in an aerosol or a long-range spray, you want to cover up, You want to get a hat, you want to get some safety glasses, and also something to cover your face and nose, and that's what I'm going to do right now. And when you're set, we'll go over here to our setup. And the first shortcoming with this product is that if you're using it, that means the wasps or the hornets have already nested. So that's not really a great scenario. The other issue with these is that they typically don't perform as advertised. This one claims it's a 27-foot jet spray, and you can see our setup over here. We've got a wall and a roof peak that's 24 feet high. If you see the pole here, that's a big reach pole that's connected together. If you're not familiar with the big reach pole, it's actually two poles that you can use independently. They start at 48 inches, and when you connect these two poles together, you can extend them out to 17 feet. That's what we've got here. So we use that 17 feet as a marker and the 24-foot peak to see just how well this product performs. I promise you this is a brand new can. We haven't used it before. It's full, it's fully charged. So let's see what happens. Okay, as you can see, 100% of it didn't hit the target. Most of it went to waste. Actually, that short spray took about half the contents of the can, and it only got up to about 21 feet. So that didn't really work that well. We didn't get any wasps. So our approach with the big reach pole and sprayer is that you start out at 17 feet, and with your arm reach, you can actually get all the way up to 24 feet. And all you do to get pinpoint accuracy and hit that nesting zone is you pull the activator, and I can get exactly where I want to go. And I don't have a lot of waste. And I pretty much got exactly the point where I was shooting for. So, if you'll just go and pre-treat your structures at the beginning of each nesting season, there's a good chance you won't have any wasps or hornets or spiders. And that's the way we do it with the big reach.